Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Electro Teach channel, where we teach knowledge of computer, electronics, instrumentation and mathematics. Today, we want to demonstrate how to install the random access memory RAM onto the motherboard. So, follow me, make sure you don't skip any part of this video in order to learn the rudiments of installing computer RAM. You can see. So right here, we are going to install the RAM onto the motherboard. On the motherboard, we have the RAM slots. We have 2 slots for the RAM. You can see that, 2 slots. And we are going to use one of those slots to install RAM. To start, you must know that this lock that will lock the RAM must be open. You must open it by yourself. Okay? After opening it this way, then you will install the RAM. When you install the RAM, you will realize that the locks will come up by itself and lock itself onto the RAM. You will not use your hand to lock this mechanism. It is going to lock itself. Alright? So we have the motherboard. We have the RAM. If you pay attention to this RAM, we have a notch almost in the middle. You can see it here. That notch that is almost in the middle is also in the RAM slot. If you pay attention, somewhere around the middle. Okay. And that is what determines the way to install the RAM. If it's going to enter this way, you must not push it in this way. It can go in only in one direction. And that's what we're going to demonstrate. So please, let us see. Alright. Okay. So we carry the RAM. We check the notch. It should go this way because it is here. Take note, the notch is not in the middle. They did it on purpose so that you don't push it in the wrong way. If it is in middle, then you can actually install it either way. But we don't want that to happen. It must go only in one direction. For instance, if I try to install it this way, push it into the RAM slot, it will not enter because of that notch in the slots. So I have to turn it and push it in the right direction. Then we move it into the slots. Then we firmly press it down. As we press it down, these 2 locks, pay attention to what will happen. You do pay attention to the locks. They came up and hook the RAM. If you install well, if you try to pull it, it will not pull. Let's do it again. Alright, so it is well installed. The locks will firmly hook it on both sides. On both sides. You will never use your hand to lock it. If you use your hand to lock it, that means you have not installed the RAM well. When you install it well, the locks will come up and lock the RAM by themselves on both sides. So to remove the RAM, we open the lock by our hand, open the lock and remove the RAM. So that is the way to install computer RAM onto the motherboard. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do not hesitate to do so. Please like and share the video and click the notification bell. Until another time, I say bye bye.